नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का एचजीडी क्लासेस में स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.2 Pythagoras theorem, and it is based on the Apollonius theorem. Okay, and it is very easy practice set because you have to just use the Apollonius theorem to solve this practice set. So let's start from the question number 1. In triangle PQR, see this is triangle, it is not given. I have drawn this diagram. Point AC is the midpoint of side QR. Okay, this AC is midpoint you know that, okay, which divides the side into two equal parts. Okay, if PQ is equal to 11 and PR is equal to 17 and PS is equal to 13, find the QR. Okay, we have to find QR. First thing, you will this PS is a median. Okay, don't forget that this PS is a median in triangle PQR. Okay, of side QR. Okay, so PS is a median of triangle PQR, and then we have to solve this question. So just we are going to use the Apollonius theorem in this case. So first draw the diagram, then I am writing solution. Okay, so diagram is part of this solution. Okay, so first thing, in triangle PQR I am writing that in triangle PQR, okay, whatever the given, okay, point S is the midpoint, point S is the midpoint of side SR, okay, of side QR. Okay, therefore PS sec PS is a median. Okay, is a median. Okay, so this PS is a median. Okay, therefore so by using Apollonius theorem, okay, you have to use the Apollonius theorem in this case, Apollonius theorem. Okay, so use the Apollonius theorem. Okay, so you know what is Apollonius theorem. You know this PQ square plus PR square, you know. Okay, two sides square, therefore PQ square plus PR square is equal to 2QS square. Okay, 2QS square plus 2PS square. Okay, this is formula. Okay, so what is PQ square? It is 11 square, PR is 17 square, and 2QS square. Okay, we have to find this, and 2PS square. PS is what? 13 square. So now do the square. This is 121. 17 square, we have to do this. 17 into 17, 49. So 4 carries, 7 ones are 7 and 4 11. So 7 ones are 7 and 1 ones are 1. Okay, 9 8 2 8 9. Okay, so this is 289 is equal to 2QS square plus, okay, 2 into 13 square. Okay, you know 13 square. Okay, 13 square, okay, we'll do this 139, I think. 13. Okay, 13 into 9, this is 3 0, this is 3, and this is 1. Okay, 169. Okay, it is 169. Okay, so now you add this to, okay, 280, this we will add this 289 plus 121, 0 carry 1, it is 1 carry 1, 410. So this is 410 and 2QS square plus, okay, what is this 2? Okay, you multiply this 169 into 2, you will get 18, 1 carry 1, 13. Okay, 2 ones are 2 and 3. Okay, 338. Okay, this is 338. Okay, now this 338 will be minus on the next side. QS square is equal to 410 minus 338. Okay, so just subtract, okay, 338 from this. Okay, 338. So 10 minus 8, you will get 2. You will carry 1. Okay, 11 minus 4, you will get 7. It is 72. Okay, so it is 72. Okay, 2QS square. Okay, therefore QS square is equal to 72 divided by 2. Therefore QS square is equal to 36. Therefore QS is equal to 6. Okay, units by taking square roots. Okay, so by taking square roots, okay, you write in proper way. So this is our first solution. Okay, in this case we have got this QS. Okay, so first we got the QS, and now we are going to solve the next one. Okay, so this QS, okay, therefore QS, okay, is equal to 1/2 QR. Okay, because S is midpoint of QR. Okay, S is midpoint of QR. Okay, therefore QR is equal to 2QS. Therefore 2 into this 6. Therefore this is 12. Okay, So QR is equal to 12 units. Okay, this is your solution. So you have to find this. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this. One thing, remember that the Apollonius theorem is related to theorem of median. Okay, if median is given in any triangle, then that median gives the square of two sides square plus 2 into median square into 2 into half of the square of the side divided by median. Okay, so in this way you have to write the formula, then put the values, just do the calculation, you will get your solution. Okay, this is the problem number 1 from the practice set 2.2, and now we are going to solve problem number 2. Okay, so we'll solve the second problem. In the second problem, in triangle ABC, AB is given 10, AC is given 7, and BC is given 9, like this. Okay, find the length of median drawn from point C to the side AB. Okay, this is point C, and from this point, suppose this CD is median in triangle ABC, and then you have to find this median. Okay, CD. Okay, length of CD. Okay, so let's start. Okay, solution we will write. Okay, in triangle. Okay, in triangle ABC. Okay, sec CD is a median. Okay, sec CD is a median. Okay, so this is median, and now we have to find this median given. Okay, what is given? AB is equal to 10, then AC is equal to 7. Okay, then this BC is equal to 9. Okay, these all things are given. Okay, so I am writing in given. Okay, this is given, so we'll write in the given. Okay, this is given. Okay, and now we're going to write the solution. Okay, so we'll solve this problem. In this problem, what is given? These are the given, so use the Apollonius theorem. Okay, so by using Apollonius theorem, okay, so we have to use Apollonius theorem. Okay, so you know that Apollonius theorem. What is mean of Apollonius theorem? Okay, therefore AC square plus, okay, CB square or BC square, okay, is equal to 2AD square plus 2CD square. Okay, CD square. Okay, so what is AD? But AD we don't know. Okay, actually, but AD is half of the AB. Okay, because okay, AD is equal to 1/2 AB. Okay, so reason is what? D is midpoint. D is midpoint of point of AB. Okay, so this is reason. Therefore it is 1/2 into 10. Okay, so it is 5 units. Okay, so this is AD, so you get AD also. Okay, therefore put the values. You can find this initially also. Okay, what is AC square? Therefore AC square is 7 square. Okay, what is BC square? It is 9 square. Now what is AD? You know, 2 AD square, so it is 5 square plus 2 CD square. Okay, CD we have to find. Okay, so now we'll solve this. So it is 49. Okay, it is 81. Okay, now this 2 into 25. Okay, plus 2 CD square. Okay, we have to find this. Now remaining I am writing this side. So 49 plus 81. See, this is 0, and this will be 130. Okay, 130. Okay, therefore it is 130. You try to do this. Okay, 130. Okay, so 49, this 1 second, this is 0. Okay, then 1 carry 130, right? So it is 130 plus 50 and plus 2 CD square. Okay, so then this will be 2 CD square is equal to 130 minus 50. Okay, so if I minus this from 130, okay, I will get 80. Okay, I will get 80. Okay, therefore 2 CD square is equal to 80. Therefore CD square is equal to 80 divided by 2. Therefore CD square is equal to 40. Okay, now if we are going to take the square root of this, okay, so I will get CD is equal to the square root 40. So CD is equal to 2 into square root 10 unit. Okay, so this is the solution by taking square root. Okay, you write by taking square root on both sides. Okay, so now first do this and then do this. Okay, by taking square root on both sides, because 40 I can write 44 into 10. So 2 is the square root of the 4 and 10 is remaining as it is in square root 10. Okay, So this is solution by taking square root. In this way you have to solve this, just use Apollonius theorem. Okay, in such type of problems you have to use just Apollonius theorem, nothing more than this. Okay, so solve this in this way. Okay, this is the question number 2. I have solved it. Okay, and now we are going to solve question number 3. Okay, so we'll solve the third problem. In the third problem, see this diagram in triangle PQR. This PS is the median of triangle PQR. This PT is perpendicular to QR, and prove that. Okay, PR square. This PR square is equal to PS square plus QR square plus into ST square plus QR upon 2 bracket square. Then PQ square is equal to this PQ square, PS square. Okay, this PS square minus QR into ST plus QR upon 2 bracket square. Okay, so we have to prove this. First, how to prove I will tell you. Okay, so PR square. Okay, we want PR square first. Okay, PR square, if I take PR square plus PQ square is equal to 2, okay, QS square into 2 PS square. Okay, this is first possibility. Okay, if I take, this is first possibility, but in this case I am going to use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, only Pythagoras theorem. How to solve I will tell you. So first we will solve this PR square. Okay, so now see the in triangle PTR. Okay, so we are going to solve this. Before solving this, first we will write some given things. Okay, in triangle PQR. Okay, what is given? Say PS is median. Okay, is a median. Okay, so this is median given. Therefore, okay, therefore I will write that QS is equal to SR is equal to 1/2 QR. Okay, because S is midpoint, S is midpoint, okay, of QR. Okay, therefore I will write here QR is equal to 2QS and 2SR. Okay, because this is possible. Okay, so suppose this is number 1, I just get it. Now in triangle, first in triangle, okay, first I will take PTS, no, I will take PTR. Okay, in triangle PTR, angle PTR is equal to 90 degree. Therefore PR square is equal to, okay, PR square is equal to what? PT square, okay, PT square plus, okay, plus what? TR square. Okay, I'm writing this, but I want what? PS. I want PS actually. Okay, but in triangle, okay, which triangle? PTS angle PTS is equal to 90 degree. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this is by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Goras theorem. Okay, and similarly you can write. Okay, similarly you can write. So then also it's okay. Okay, therefore PS square is equal to, you will get PT square plus TS square. Okay, TS square. Okay, now I want TS or ST. This is ST actually, I want this. Okay, and PT also I want this. Okay, PT and ST I want. Okay, so this PS square, we put the value of this PS square, okay, at the place of PT square. Therefore PT square I can write PT square, I can write PS square minus ST square. Okay, okay, this I got. Okay, this, suppose this is equation number 2. I have not given equation number 2, therefore I will write here. See that. Okay, you just try to understand. Okay, just use the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this is first, this is second. PT square, PS square minus TS ST square. I'm putting this value here. Okay, at the place of this. Okay, okay, so remember this, I don't want this okay, TR also. Okay, what I have to do? Okay, TS. Okay, this is TR square. Okay, ST square. Okay, so here, therefore I will get PR square is equal to this PT square. I will get this PS square minus ST square, PS square minus ST square. Okay, and this is TR square. Okay, TR, you know that ST plus SR. Okay, TR is what? ST plus SR. Okay, plus ST plus SR bracket square. Okay, because the reason you can write this reason. Okay, these are the linear points. I will write here TS R. Okay, okay, like this. So now solve this. PR square is equal to PS square minus ST square So this, if I solve this, plus st square, okay, first number square, plus 2, okay, st into sr and plus sr square, okay, sr square. Okay, now see this st square get cancelled, therefore pr square is equal to, I will get ps square plus 2st. Okay, this sr is equal to qs. I know that. See this, sr is equal to qs. Okay, so I'm replacing this. I want this. Okay, so sr is equal to q. Okay, don't worry, don't replace this. Okay, so this 2sr, okay, this 2sr's here, 2sr is equal to qr, 2sr. Okay, so instead of this 2sr I will take qr. Okay, so st into qs. Okay, so qr into st, and this sr I can write 1 half qr. See this, where is it, 1 half qr. Okay, so qr upon 2, so this will be qr upon 2 bracket square. Okay, so this is my first proof. Okay, this is my first proof. Just use the Pythagoras theorem only. Okay, just use the Pythagoras. It is little complicated but not too much complicated. Okay, just try to understand what is given and try to solve it. Okay, you will easily get solution. Okay, this is first, come to the second. Okay, now in triangle I will write in triangle. Okay, second triangle PTQ. Okay, PTQ. Okay, angle PTQ is equal to 90 degree, therefore by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so I will write PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem. This is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, use the Pythagoras theorem. It is also very easy how this solve this. I'll do PQ square. What is PT square? I know that PT square is equal to PS square minus ST square. Okay, PT square is equal to what? PS square. This PT square. Okay, PS square minus ST square. I can write this. Okay, PS square minus ST square. PS square minus ST square. Okay. Now this QT. Okay, see this QT. Okay, I can write QS minus TS. Okay, ST. Okay, so I write here plus. This is plus sign. And instead of this QS minus ST square, this is QT. Okay, QS square minus ST square, I will get QT square. Okay, okay, so this, see this QS minus ST will get this. Okay, so now solve this. This is PS square minus ST square, okay, plus QS square minus, okay, minus 2 into QS into ST and plus ST square. Okay, so now see this minus ST square and this plus ST square get cancelled. So what is remaining? PS square plus, okay, this QS I'm taking to that side. So first I'm taking this minus 2QS into ST and plus QS square. Okay, but I know that this 2QS, where is this 2QS is equal to this QR. Okay, so I'm writing here, therefore PS square minus 2QR into ST. Okay, plus this QS is what? QR upon 2 bracket square. Okay, so this, okay, this is therefore PQ square. Okay, this is my second proof. I got it. Okay, so in this way you have to prove this. It is very easy. Just try to understand what is given exactly. Okay, and how to just place that values. Okay, just put the values in the proper way, you will get your solution. Okay, this is the problem number 3. We have solved it. Okay, because there are only 5 problems, so I'm taking more time to solve the problems, and that's why I'm getting time to explain the problems. Okay, and every time I was in a hurry to solve the problems, but this time I'm just making this video lengthy with only 5 problems. The reason we have 40 minutes time to record the video. Okay, that's why, so we will utilize that all minutes here. Okay, so in this way solve this. Okay, very easy. Just try to understand what is given and how to you'll get the proof. Okay, this is problem number 3. We have solved it, and now we're going to solve problem number 4. Okay, so we'll solve the fourth question. In this question, a triangle is given ABC. M is the midpoint of BC, and AB square plus AC square 290 centimeter square. AM is equal to 8. We have to find BC. Okay, so first we'll write what is given here. Okay, solution. Okay, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC. Okay, point M is midpoint. Point M is the midpoint. Okay, of side BC. Okay, of side BC. Okay, therefore seg AM is median, is a median. Okay, is a median. Therefore what is given? Therefore AB square plus AC square is equal to 290 centimeter square. Okay, AM is equal to 8 centimeter. So these two things are given. Okay, given. Okay, therefore by using Apollonius theorem, by using Apollonius theorem. Okay, Apollonius theorem. So whatever we'll get, we'll write here. Okay, therefore what? AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. Okay, so this is given 290. This is 2 into 8 square. This 2BM square. Okay, therefore I will get 290 is equal to 2 into 64 plus 2BM square. Okay, 2 into 64, just multiply this. 290 is equal to 8 120 plus 2BM square. Therefore 2BM square is equal to 290 minus 128. This do this. Okay, 290 minus 128. Okay, so 10 minus 8 to carry 1. Okay, yeah, so it is 6, and then I'll get 162. Okay, it is 162. Okay, is equal to 2BM square. Okay, I'm writing here remaining. Okay, so therefore BM square is equal to 162 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 8s are and 2 ones. Okay, therefore BM square is equal to 81. Therefore BM is equal to 9. Okay, centimeter, by taking square root. Okay, by taking square roots. Okay, so this we got. Therefore okay, BC is equal to 2BM. Okay, because M is midpoint, therefore BC is equal to 2 into 9. Okay, therefore BC is equal to 18 centimeter. Okay, so this is our final solution. Okay, so in this way we have to solve this. Very easy. Okay, just use the Apollonius theorem. Okay, only in the earlier case of problem we have used the Pythagoras theorem, and it is means based on the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so it will give easily. Okay, even though by Apollonius theorem also will get the solution, but it makes the problem very complicated. Okay, so in that case only use the Pythagoras theorem. In this case use the Apollonius theorem. This is your problem number 4. We have solved it, and now we are going to solve the last problem. This is practice set, problem number 5. Okay, so we'll solve the last problem of this practice set. Problem number 5 is star mark problem. Okay, in the figure, okay, point T is in interior of quadrilateral PQRS. Okay, it is a rectangle. Prove that TS square. Okay, TS square and then plus T cube square is equal to TP square. Okay, TP square plus TR square. Okay, actually this is one of the rectangle. Okay, AB is parallel to side ASR, means this also a rectangle and this is also a rectangle. Okay, so many things are there and so many things are identical. This problem can be solved by two methods, by the Apollonius method also by doing the construction, and by the Pythagoras theorem also. Okay, without doing any construction. Okay, by the Apollonius theorem you will get the direct proof of this problem with little construction, and with the Pythagoras theorem this problem will be somewhat lengthy. Okay, but we are going to solve this problem by Pythagoras theorem without doing any construction. If you need the problem solution with the Apollonius theorem, just comment. I will solve by the Apollonius theorem also. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so what is given first we'll write here. Very easy problem. This is very easy actually, but still we'll solve this. See now, quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. Okay, some basic things I'm writing here. Okay, seg AB parallel side SR. Okay, Therefore quadrilateral ABRS and quadrilateral ABQP is are also rectangles, are also rectangles, are also rectangles. Okay, so these are also rectangles. Okay, we want something, so I have written this. Therefore is equal to BR. Therefore AS is equal to BR, and therefore PA is equal to QB. Okay, so opposite sides of rectangle. Okay, these things are IMP, we need this, so I'm just returning. Okay, so we are going to use this. Okay, so these are the some basic things I have written here. Now we are going to solve this. Okay, so in triangle, take triangle. Okay, this ATS. Okay, in triangle SAT. Okay, SAT, angle SAT is equal to 90, therefore by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, therefore we want TS square, therefore TS square is equal to 80 square, okay, plus SX square. Okay, so AS square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, theorem. Suppose this is number 1, I'm writing here, this is 1. Okay, similarly I'm writing now similarly. Okay, similarly. Okay, similarly in triangle, which triangle now, if I want this TS first then TQ, I want this TQ. Okay, triangle TBQ. Okay, TBQ, okay, angle TBQ is equal to 90. Okay, therefore by Pythagoras theorem I can write TQ square. Okay, TQ square is equal to, I can write TB square. Okay, TB square plus I can write QB square. Okay, QB square. Okay, this is second by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Goras theorem. Okay, okay, now suppose we got this. Okay, this 2, I'm just doing the underline to this. Okay, 2, just we'll add this 2. Okay, therefore I will adding this to TS square plus TQ square. TS square plus TQ square is equal to, okay, what I will get, 80 square plus AS square, 80 square plus AS square plus, okay, TB square plus QB square. Okay, TB square plus QB square. Okay, I got this. Okay, QB square, TB square plus QB square. Okay, now A square, I know that it is BR square. Okay, and AP is not there. Okay, AP is not there. Okay, AP is not there. Okay, A square is equal to BR square, but I am not going to give any number, so this is, suppose this is number 3. Okay, so okay, come to the next, which I want, TP square. Okay, where is TP? Okay, in triangle TAP. Okay, angle TAP is equal to 90 degree. Okay, therefore TP square is equal to 80 square plus, okay, PS square. Okay, PS square or PS square. Okay, this is suppose 4 number by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Pythagoras theorem, use the Pythagoras theorem only. Okay, without any construction. Okay, similarly in triangle TBR, now we want TBR because TR we want. In triangle TBR, angle TBR is equal to 90. Therefore, okay, we want TR square. TR square is equal to TB square plus, okay, this BR square. Okay, BR square. Okay, suppose this is 5. Add 4 and 5. Therefore, TP square plus TR square is equal to 80 square plus PS square plus TB square plus BR square. Okay, now in this case, okay, 80 is there, 80 is there, PA is there. Okay, PA is there. Okay, PA is there, but instead of PA I can write QB. See this, QB. Okay, therefore TP square, I'm changing the equal factors. Okay, 80 square I want, plus this PA I'm changing by QB square, QB square. Okay, and then TB I want, it is TB is there, TB square is there. Okay, and then BR. Okay, BR I'm changing by A square. Okay, A square. Okay, now this is, suppose this is number 5. Okay, this is number 6. Now see that this is 6 and this is 3. Okay, both are same. Okay, from therefore TS square plus TQ square is equal to TP square plus TR square. Okay, from 3 and 6, from 3 and 6. Okay, from 3 and 6. So this is the solution. Okay, I'm just making bracket to this also. Okay, so this is the final solution. If you are going to use the Pythagoras theorem, okay, if you are going to use the Pythagoras theorem, you will get this solution in this way. Stepwise you have to go and you have to solve this. Okay, but instead of Pythagoras theorem, if you are making little changes, little construction, then you will get this solution directly by the Apollonius theorem. But this is also easy, that will be short and easy. You have to decide which solution you have to use in the examination. There is no restriction on you, you can use any method, you can solve by any methods, but your solution should be correct. You will get 4 marks. Okay, so this is the last problem of your practice set. Okay, 2.2 we have completed it. In the next video we will start our problem set, and within 2 videos I will complete the problem set also. And after completing problem set of Pythagoras theorem, we'll start the new lesson, circle. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon button so you will get the notification of upcoming videos on time. Thanks and keep watching. Have a nice time.